Good morning on day 6, our last day here on the adventure of the seas. Looks like we're rolling into a thunderstorm. The boat's starting to get pretty rocky. You can see all the clouds and some lightning off in the distance. So I'm not exactly sure what the actual weather forecast is other than what I can see with my own eyes. So today we're at sea. We're heading back to Port Canaveral and we'll arrive tomorrow morning at about, I think 5-6 a.m. and we should be able to get off the ship about 9. So today, depending on the weather, we may go enjoy the pool if it's not thunderstorming all day. And then Bear and I have a sushi making class coming up at 10 o'clock today. So I'm really excited about that. Our family loves sushi and we've always talked about making our own. So we're going to go learn how. I think I'm going to hang out here for a little bit longer, continue reading, and then go and hunt for some breakfast. the storm has subsided a bit. You can still see it probably a mile or so from our ship. So the captain's doing a great job of navigating as well as he can around the storm. The boat is still kind of rocky, but it's better than it was earlier. Ooh, yeah, definitely still kind of rocky. So I'm going upstairs now to get some coffee, maybe some avocado toast, and just wait for our sushi class to start at 10 o'clock. Before we head off to our sushi making contest, we want to go up to the top deck to see how close the storm is getting. You get more of like a 360 view sort of up here. Look, we see a rainbow. We might get a little wet, but it'll be worth it. Oh, it's cold and wet. Excited to learn how to play, or not play sushi, make sushi. Me too.
Yeah, so by the way, I'm Chef Jeff all the way from the Philippines. Sorry to say that we are all here fake Japanese working in a Japanese restaurant. 0%, right? In cooking oil, a big finger to the vegetable oil, the bottom, yeah? So please, the rest of the nori just put on the bottom of the bakumat. So we need only one sheet of nori, the rest of the nori just put on the bottom of the bakumat.
Need smaller clones.
Yeah, I just did a little twist.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I don't think you got enough oil on sweetie. No.
Alright, so by the way, ladies and gentlemen, this kind of nori have two sides. So you can feel that one, rough side and shiny side, yeah? So, yeah, put the nori on facing you the rough side, or rough side up. Rough side up.
Rough side up.
Yeah, rough side up. So put the nori on the top of the baku mat, rough side up. Alright, now it's time to grab a rice. Alright, so it's time to grab a rice. So when you grab a rice, just imagine like a tennis ball size of rice. Yeah? Tennis ball size of rice. So grab a rice like a tennis ball size of rice.
I think I just grabbed a
Alright,
softball
run it
size.
like a tennis ball size of rice.
Yes.
Alright, so like a tennis ball size of rice. So first step, put the rice on the middle of the nori. Middle first.
the worst one was the bouquet one.
I think you did a good job.
I think this one's the worst one.
Pretty good.
These are easy though.
Plated professionally by the chef.
She's like, do I have to wait for pictures?
Yum.
This is turning out to be a beautiful day at sea, although pretty windy. On to our next adventure.
That was so much fun. Go, Jaden! The best part about this is that I'm getting an ab workout, laughing so hard at everyone, including myself. But I will say, kind of got the hang of it.
Now back to the room to hang out for a little bit and have a quick snack. And I guess we're just waiting until our last dinner with our waiters, Jeremy and Putu, at 5 o'clock. For now, we're gonna enjoy this beautiful view. As this video series comes to a close, we'd like to thank everyone for joining us in our Royal Caribbean Western Caribbean cruise. Love and light to you all. We'll see you on the next adventure.